Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And right here we are in the standard photo mode, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines, I mean this golden spiral, should disappear. All you have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.